Hello everyone, I hope you're having a healthy and joyful day. Today, I have a small question for you to think about. What is the first thing on your face that gives away your age, even before gray hair or a hunched back? It's your skin, especially around the eyes and mouth, where fine lines usually show up first. Many people believe, once you have wrinkles, there's nothing you can do. But actually, if used correctly, there's one very familiar natural ingredient that can make your skin look brighter, softer, and smoother, even if you're over 40 or 50. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 incredibly simple yet effective formulas that help soothe dry skin, reduce wrinkles, and even out skin tone. These are all things you can do easily at home. Before diving into each recipe, let me explain why coconut oil has such a powerful ability to improve skin. And no, it's not just an old folk remedy. Scientifically speaking, coconut oil contains mainly lauric acid, along with myristic acid, caprylic acid, vitamin E, and trace minerals. These components deeply hydrate, soften the skin, fight oxidation, and support cell regeneration, especially helpful when the skin is dry, dull, and low on collagen due to aging. Coconut oil also has mild antibacterial properties, so it soothes sensitive areas, reduces irritation, and helps prevent breakouts. It improves skin elasticity, softens texture, and helps slow down sagging, particularly around the cheeks, chin, and eyes. In short, when combined properly, coconut oil offers many benefits: hydration, brightening, wrinkle reduction, and anti-aging, all natural, safe, and gentle. Now, let's begin with the first formula. It's super easy to make, but the results have surprised many people. 1. Coconut oil combined with raw honey. Did you know that among all natural beauty recipes, coconut oil and raw honey is one of the simplest yet most effective combos? If used regularly and correctly, coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing power, thanks to its rich content of natural vitamin E and saturated fatty acids. These nutrients help soften the skin barrier, improve dryness, and aid in repairing areas that show signs of aging, like wrinkles and sagging. Meanwhile, raw honey is full of antioxidants, natural enzymes, and has gentle antibacterial properties. It helps calm the skin while also brightening and evening out the complexion over time. When these 2 ingredients are combined, they create a perfect skin-nourishing blend, one that fades fine lines around the eyes and lips while leaving your skin noticeably softer and more hydrated. It's very easy to make. Just mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. After cleansing your face, gently apply the mixture and massage in circular motions, using your fingertips for about 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on dry or wrinkled areas. Then leave it on for another 10 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. You can do this 2 to 3 times per week, ideally at night before bed, so your skin can fully absorb the benefits while you sleep. Typically, after just 2 weeks of consistent use, you'll feel a clear difference: softer skin, a brighter tone, and fading fine lines. For best results, be sure to use the right ingredients. Choose cold-pressed, pure coconut oil with no added fragrance. The honey should be real and raw, without added sugar or additives. And if you have sensitive skin, I recommend testing a small area under the chin or behind the ear first to check for any reaction. This is a simple, gentle, affordable, and practical skincare recipe you can do right at home. If you're looking for a way to soften, brighten, and slow down signs of aging, the coconut oil and honey combo is absolutely worth a try. Coconut oil combined with turmeric and unsweetened yogurt. If your skin has dark spots, freckles, or uneven tone, the combination of coconut oil, turmeric, and unsweetened yogurt is definitely worth trying. Coconut oil moisturizes and helps restore dry skin. Turmeric powder contains curcumin, which brightens the skin and fades pigmentation. Yogurt contains natural lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and supports skin cell regeneration. These 3 ingredients together create a mask that works well for dull skin showing early signs of aging. How to make it. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Stir until smooth. Apply to a clean face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week, preferably in the evening to allow the nutrients to absorb deeply. A few notes. Turmeric may leave a slight yellow tint on the skin, so use a warm, damp cotton pad to gently wipe the skin afterward. If you have sensitive skin, test on a small area first. This is a natural, affordable, and effective formula. With consistent use for a few weeks, you'll notice a visible improvement in your skin, brighter, more even, and calmer. As you can see, with just coconut oil, turmeric, and yogurt, your skin can already look visibly better, brighter, more even-toned, niche-sand, and noticeably softer. Before we move on to Formula 3, if you find this recipe easy and helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe on the Live Well Everyday channel so we can continue sharing simple yet effective tips like this. And if you liked the last formula, leave a number 1 in the comments below. But if it didn't suit your skin, feel free to leave a 0. I'd love to hear your thoughts and improve the content in future videos. Now, I'd like to introduce you to the third formula. It's gentler, more soothing, and perfect for sensitive skin, dry patches, or areas that have been sunburned. This formula combines coconut oil and aloe vera, helping to repair skin, deeply hydrate, and calm minor skin irritation. I believe this is especially helpful for anyone who spends a lot of time in the sun, under air conditioning, or has naturally delicate skin. You're probably already familiar with coconut oil. It deeply moisturizes, soothes dry, cracked areas, and helps restore the skin's natural barrier. Meanwhile, aloe vera, also known as aloe, is famous for its cooling, hydrating, and cell-repairing properties. Aloe gel is over 90% water and packed with enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that quickly soothe skin, reduce redness and itchiness, and promote healing of minor surface cracks. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a gentle face mask that calms sensitive skin, supports anti-aging, and helps maintain the skin's natural elasticity. Here's how to make it. Mix aloe vera gel and coconut oil in a 2-to-1 ratio. Stir until smooth and fully blended. After cleansing your face, apply a thin, even layer to your face and neck. Avoid using too much to prevent a greasy feel. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. For dry or dehydrated skin, this can be used 2 to 3 times per week. If your skin is sunburned, apply this mask in the evening to soothe the area and reduce peeling the next day. After a few uses, you'll feel your skin become cooler, more hydrated, and significantly calmer. Dry or rough patches will soften, and your overall skin texture will appear brighter and more refreshed. The best part is that both coconut oil and aloe vera are gentle, making this formula ideal for sensitive or easily irritated skin. However, if you use fresh aloe, make sure to wash off the yellow sap under the skin thoroughly, as it can cause itching if not removed properly. And if you're using store-bought aloe gel, choose one that's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and without artificial coloring to ensure it's safe for your skin. This is one of the most natural and soothing ways to restore your skin, especially after long sunny days, sleepless nights, or periods of stress that leave your skin looking tired. With just a few weeks of consistency, your skin will begin to rebuild from within, becoming stronger, brighter, and full of life again. As you can see, with just a few natural, easy-to-find, and safe ingredients like coconut oil, turmeric, aloe vera, or yogurt, we can take care of and improve our skin every day, without the need for expensive cosmetics or complicated treatments. What matters most is knowing what your skin needs, caring for it properly and consistently. And over time, your skin will gently recover, become smoother, stronger, and more radiant. If today's tips were helpful, I invite you to subscribe to Live Well Every Day so I can continue sharing more simple, effective ways to help you live healthier, more beautifully, and more mindfully. And if you enjoyed this video, Leave a number 1 in the comments so I know the content is on the right track. But if you feel it was missing something or didn't work for you, please leave a arrow. I truly appreciate all your feedback and will use it to make each new video better. Thank you for watching until the end. Wishing you health, happiness, and glowing skin every single day.